Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got some freebies that are ending really soon. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this one ends today, so you got to get your download on ASAP. And with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check out this watch face, right? Now, the name of this one is called Fit V1 Pro. I do like the look of this one. This one is going to be a nice watch face to have on over the weekend if you're going to be into just casually out and about, and or if you're going to be working out over the weekend. This is nice. It's colorful. The watch face is also interactive. It's going to look just as nice in the AOD mode as it does when the watch face is on. So what you're going to get, check it out, right? You got analog and digital, stacked digital timers over to your left. If you look up at the top, which I thought was very nice, very unique, you got an analog clock as well. It's going to let you know whether it's AM or PM, which I thought was pretty cool. You come down, you also got your heart rate information. You get your step info, miles walked or ran. You also get shortcuts. So if you need to make a phone call, if you look at in the corner over to your left, you can make a phone call. Floors climb over to the right, down at the bottom. If you need to go into your music, you can. The watch face is interactive as well. With a single tap, you can go into your weather, which I thought this was pretty cool. And it's a very convenient watch face to have on your wrist. So I thought. But the question is, at the end of the day, you all, what do you think? Is this one going to be worth a download for you? Or will you be leaving this one right where it's at? But don't go anywhere. We got watch face number 2 coming right up. All right, you all, this is watch face number 2. This one is called Step Night. This one is nice. Right now, this one is free for the taking, but it ends on the 11th. So make sure you don't miss out on this watch face, right? So I thought it was a nice analog watch face that you can wear over the weekend, or whether you want to save this one for the work week. It's going to be good, and it is geared toward fitness. You're going to get a nice, awesome look in the AOD mode as well. So you got this dark theme going on, right? So far, the background is concerned, which again is going to help you with your battery life. But this is a hybrid watch face, which simply means that you got shortcuts that you can tap into to make this watch face super convenient, right? So you got your step information, the heart rate info. You also got your date information, that Timex look, right? Which looks awesome. You got your step info, battery info. Everything you need is right here in one place. And I thought this was pretty cool, right? Check this out. So if I tap here, I can go to my heart rate information. Here, I can go into my step info. But check this out, right? In between your indexes, you can tap and you can extract more information. That was your S health. You can go all the way around the board with this one. It has so many different applications that you can tap into to make the watch face convenient. I like what the developer did with this one. This one is definitely super awesome. And he gives you a menu just in case you forget where you need to tap at. I thought this was pretty cool. I think you guys will like this one. If you do, make sure you go ahead and download this one while it is still free. And you even got some customizable apps that you can set to make it just that much more convenient. So I thought this was a nice look for a free watch face. I thought you guys could use this over the weekend. So if you like it, download it. If not, leave it exactly right where it's at. You all, I got another watch face for you all to check out. This is watch face number 3. This one is just as nice as the last one, right? And also, once more, this one is also free. This one ends on the 12th. So if you like this watch face, make sure you get your download on while you can. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick off this review. All right, you all, let's check out this awesome watch face. I think this one is nice for the archives, especially if you're going to be out running, if you're going to be out just casually about. This is a nice analog timepiece to have on your wrist, or at least in your archives. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this one. The name of the watch face is called Watch C041 Sports. Now, again, it's free for the taking to the 12th. Get your download on. It's a fitness watch face. It's going to be geared toward battery efficiency. You're going to get a good look in the AOD mode as well. So what you have here is like a dark theme watch face, right? I really like the color of the index. I tried to customize the color theme, but the developer does not give you that option, which is a-okay with me because I could tie this into a lot of outfits. But what I do like about this watch face is that you got the second hand that's yellow that blends in with the color of the index, your heart rate information, and your battery info, which really brings out this watch face quite a bit. But if you look at the background, you got this textured background that really looks nice. You got your heart rate info, you got your step info, You also get your data information as well, miles walked or ran, everything you need within a watch face is right here, and it looks good. Now, to be able to customize the color theme would have been nice, but this is not a deal breaker, especially considering that the watch face is free. Now, it is in the active. I can go into my heart rate information. I can also go into my step info, battery info, and extract the information I need on my run, on my walk. But overall, I thought it was a nice timepiece, right? But check this out. If I double tap, I can change the color theme of the black background to a degree. So I thought this was a nice touch for a casual fitness watch face. But again, it's going to always be up to you. What do you guys think? Do you like this watch face, or will you be leaving this one right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys have the greatest weekend ever. I hope you all enjoying family and friends, but most of all, I hope you guys are still being safe. And with that being said, I got to get out of here. You guys enjoy the rest of your day and or night. Don't forget to hit that like button on the way out. Smash the notification bell, and I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.